There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2024 Dodge Durango Citadel in diamond black, clear coat, with bifunction LED projector headlamps, lane departure warning plus, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, red accent stitching, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7926.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.